Want to delete your NSFAS account? This video will show you the full guide to properly closing your account. Let's dive in. First things first, directly deleting an NSFAS, National Student Financial Aid Scheme, account as a self-service option is not typically available. NSFAS accounts are tied to your educational and financial aid history. Now, if you want to terminate your relationship with NSFAS or address specific issues that lead you to seek deletion, your primary course of action is to contact NSFAS directly. To begin, visit the official NSFAS website, www.nsfas.org.za, and look for their Contact Us or Support section. You'll find their call center numbers and email addresses. Compose a clear email or prepare your query for a phone call, stating your request. Explain your reason for wanting to delete or deactivate your account. Be prepared to provide your ID number, account details, and any relevant student information for verification. NSFAS will then guide you through their process. It's important to understand that complete deletion might not be possible due to regulatory requirements for financial aid records. However, they may be able to deactivate your profile or address your specific concerns. If you have outstanding loans, the account won't be deleted until repayment is managed. Always communicate through official NSFAS channels and retain records of your communication. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more student finance tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.